Ingredients: 1 cup, or 142 grams, gluten-free flour. For best results, use a gluten-free flour blend that contains xanthan gum. We recommend Bob's Red Mill gluten-free baking flour. If your blend doesn't have it, whisk in 1/4 teaspoon of xanthan gum, 2 tablespoons granulated sugar, 1½ teaspoons baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 3/4 cup or 170 milliliters milk, 1 large egg, 2 tablespoons oil or melted butter, 1/2 teaspoon vanilla extract. Combine the gluten-free flour, sugar, baking powder, and salt in a medium bowl and whisk them together. Then add the milk, egg, oil, and vanilla extract to the mixture. Allow the batter to rest for 5 minutes or up to 30 minutes. Prepare a non-stick griddle or skillet over medium-high heat and lightly grease it with oil or butter. Test the batter. If the batter is too thick, you'll end up with dense pancakes that don't cook evenly in the middle. On the other hand, if it's too thin, the batter will spread excessively on the griddle before the pancake has a chance to cook properly. To prevent this issue, prepare a small test pancake. Drop approximately 1 tablespoon of batter onto the hot, greased griddle. If you're satisfied with how the test pancake cooks, proceed with the rest of the batter. If the batter appears too thick, incorporate some milk to thin it out. On the other hand, if it seems too thin, add a bit more gluten-free flour and stir until you reach the desired consistency. Using a spoon, pour approximately 1/4 cup of batter onto the skillet. Cook until the edges are firm and bubbles form across the surface of the pancake, around 2 minutes. To check for readiness, gently lift the edge of the pancake with a spatula. It should be a golden brown color. Once ready, flip the pancake and cook until the other side turns golden brown, approximately 2 more minutes. Repeat the process with the remaining batter and serve the pancakes warm with butter and syrup. Freezing instructions. Once cooked, allow the pancakes to cool on a wire rack. This prevents excess moisture buildup, ensuring the pancakes remain fluffy. Avoid adding any syrup or butter at this stage. Once cooled, transfer the pancakes to a freezer bag or container. If stacking, place parchment or wax paper between each pancake to prevent sticking. Frozen gluten-free pancakes can maintain their quality for approximately 2 months in the freezer. Over time, they may begin to dry out, so it's best to consume them within this time frame. Reheating options. Microwave. Arrange frozen pancakes in a single layer on a microwave-safe plate. Heat on medium-high for approximately 1 minute. Flip the pancakes and continue heating for an additional 30 seconds or until warmed through. Microwave times may vary. Toaster. For 1 or 2 pancakes, utilize your toaster. Insert the pancakes into the toaster slot and toast on a low setting until warmed. Air fryer. Place the frozen pancakes in a single layer on the tray of your air fryer. If necessary, cook in batches to avoid overcrowding. Set the air fryer to the appropriate temperature and time according to its instructions. Oven. Preheat the oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit or 163 degrees Celsius. Arrange the frozen pancakes on a baking sheet and place them in the oven. Heat until warmed through, typically around 10 minutes. This method is ideal for reheating larger quantities of pancakes when serving a group.